uPowerTek constant voltage 0 to 10 volts dimmable LED driver dimming test. Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to dimming the 0 to 10 volts dimmable LED driver. First, we connect the line and neutral wire or LED driver input. Then we connect the 0 to 10 volts dimming controller. Connect LED driver output with the LED strip. And plug in the AC. Next, let's look how to dim. Dimming down from 1% output to 2% output. Dimming up from 2% to 100%. Dim to off. No flicker during power on and power off.